Flowmaster, the industry leader in performance technology, introduces the new catback high ground clearance Outlaw exhaust system for the all-new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL two-door models only, equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine. This bolt-on single-out-the-rear emissions-legal exhaust system features a stainless steel construction, 2.5-inch mandrel-bent inlet pipes, Outlaw Series muffler, and a single 2.5-inch mandrel-bent tailpipe. The system finishes off with a 3-inch polished stainless steel tip with the embossed Flowmaster logo. This kit was specially designed for off-road enthusiasts. The muffler has been relocated to a position right behind the catalytic converter where it's tucked up high into the frame. The single 2.5-inch tailpipe has been rerouted to go up and over the rear sway bar. This provides maximum clearance for your off-road adventures. As an Outlaw system, it is best suited for owners who are really looking to maximize the potential of their new Wrangler JL with dyno-proven performance. This Flowmaster Outlaw exhaust system is perfect for the person looking for an aggressive exterior and interior exhaust tone with all the performance benefits you expect from Flowmaster. If you're looking for high ground clearance and an increase in power and torque with a powerful performance sound, then this system is for you. This system includes all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.